Bravissima, and you flour. Let's try it together. Oh, this is a funny part, alright? Bravi.
Oddio.
Done. Bravo. We're good. You ready to start? Welcome to the class. My name is Tommaso.
We're from Australia.
From Australia?
Yeah, Sydney.
Oh, very brave. Very far. From California. Very nice.
Some Connecticut and New York.
Okay. First time that we do this. First time. We got 100 grams flour, 00, pinch of salt, and 1 egg. A big crater into the flour. Very wide. Tiny pinch of salt. We open it up and we leave the shells on the table so the board stays clean, okay? Try guys, okay? Bravo. You can start, I'm gonna give you more advices. And then we press a lot. Press and spin. All the dough on the fork, okay? Keep going. This is the warm up.
Oh dear.
If it's sticky, you roll it in the flour, okay? And you put it on the board. Okay, watch me before you start. We're gonna need to open it up, fold, press a little forward. It might stick a little bit to your hand. That's normal, so we can flip it and rub it on the flour. Let's try it together. Don't press too hard. Bravo. Press until it sticks to your hand a little. Flip it and flour. Bravi. And try to fold it in. Okay? If you ever made a little dumpling, it's kind of like this. You pinch one side, so you got round and pinched. Okay? Try. And we do this gently. It's like you're opening a door. And it should improve the worst part. Bravo. Little magic. Put the worst part face down and a couple times without making it flat. Bravi. And then bravi, a little cilindro. Like this. Voila. Flip it like this also. To let it know who's boss. Bravo, you saw that coming. Boom. Voila. No, the other left. Yes. After a few times, we need flour. We flip it. Something like this, guys. So press hard, but just remember the flour. No, don't worry. Let me help you one time. It's very cute. That's what matters.
I was going for cute.
Brava. Allora, you're good, sir. A little bit more flour, but I like your style. No sticky. Bravo. Bravi, now I'll be, in a minute I'll be around. I'll help you if you need. Last effort, stretch it on each side for the last time, and we're done. How are we doing? Allora, my friend, bravissimo.
I was almost there. The guys did better than
We like it. We like it. You too? Very nice. We done. Bravo. We spread it. And the same thing on the other side. We stop in the middle here. And you roll the other side like a little scroll. Today we're gonna make 2 types of pasta. Fettuccine, ravioli. One part is bigger and it's for later, for our ravioli. First thing, fettuccine. Ragazzi, the size, it's a little centimeter. Cut all the way through. Most important step, alright? Uno. Fettuccine! Ragazzi, even if I cut all the way through, they are still rolled from the scroll that we made. Bravissimo. Leave fall. Bravissimo. Great. Bravissimo. Made it. Bravi. It's ricotta, cheese, parmesan, and a little bit of black pepper. 1, 2. We're gonna draw little half squares around your filling, okay? Too much water might make the dough stick on the board, and that's no good again. You press on top. We do this because with the air, they will do something very specific. They will explode. You got a little tool that we call rotella, little wheel from the top and a little bit from the sides, just to make some really nice ravioli, okay? Allora, first of all, the edges. Got it?
We're sharing.
Okay, don't worry. When you're ready, did good. Bravi. Leave the card on the board.
Ragazzi, I'm sorry, I'm starting 7 class, just coming to say bye. Was it good so far? Enjoy the rest. Okay, grazie mille. Ragazzi, thank you. Thank you very much.
This will take 1 hour, I don't know. No. Allora, a couple minutes. Bravi, doing just one more minute. Wait. To the side. On the first box. Bravi, guys. I'm protecting you. Bravissimi. Allora, this is a funny part, alright? Then we can switch. Bravissimi. And we push it to the bottom to cover the cream all the way around.